So I'm just going to take enough pressure off of that, hopefully, so that I can straighten this thing out here. You know, it would be nice if I had some stud bolts that I could screw in there and leave in there and put those on with that. That always makes things so much easier. This is what I was trying to avoid doing, was taking the belts off, but you know, I know better. That never works. Now that is lined up right there. If I can get the fan on that and get one bolt in it, we will be well on our way. Y'all pray for me. I got one in. So what I do with that other screw? That's so much like me. I think I spend almost as much time looking for something that I thought I had laid right here. But I could have took it in the house with me. I went in a while ago to charge the battery and I could have took it in. But I need one more screw. Dang, I say. Guess I can tighten up the one I got. Ones I got. Honey baby said a while ago it's time for my nap. And sometimes she's right. I don't mean sometimes she's right, but I mean usually a certain time of the day nowadays, being an old man, I do go take a nap. And sometimes that's just about the time where I need to quit anyway, because I'm getting sloppy and losing my bolts. I'm pretty sloppy even on a good day, I think. Alright, let's go look in the house, see if I can find that thing. So I just saw a water drip. I wonder if it's that water pump, because if it is, there's no point in me continuing with what I'm doing, because I'm going to have to take it off anyway. I'm going to get under there with a flashlight, spend a little more time. I've got another water pump. I've got a brand new one out back there. I need to find that drip, and that drip I just saw looked like it came right out of the middle of the motor. If it did, it's going to be a water pump. Well, you see that wet finger? That is the water pump. So, there's no point in going on with what I'm going on with. I'm going to have to take that off of there. I'm going to have to drain the radiator. Yeah. Yep, got to do all that stuff. So, might as well go ahead and start. Maybe I can find a plug to fit that drain down there to drain that radiator with. Which would save me from spilling antifreeze all over everything. Let's get this fan out of the way though, because we don't want that. That fan will just serve to do some damage if I don't get it out of that first. I'll go ahead and do that. And then we'll set the radiator up to drain, and then I'll go ahead and take my nap. And I might redesign one of these hoses over here. I got a hose that turns around at an odd angle. I might just cut that hose and reshape it. Okay. And that'll do me for today. So even though I've got to do that, I still feel good about this. Feel good about getting that big fan out of here and not using it. And I may have some studs in my other water pump? Because I seem to recall. No, let's see. I wouldn't have because well, I would. I could have. If I don't, I'll get me some studs for it. Put it back. That way I won't have to mess with this again. Now I could change the water pump with a radiator in there, but that generally turns out to be the quickest way to damage a good radiator. Because working down in there where your hands, sooner or later you're going to hit something the wrong way and make a mess. So I'm going to set these bolts right up here. I'm going to get my big pan, see how much of this I can drain out of here and catch. So I got these screws. I'm pretty sure I probably had some of these, but I didn't know where they were. So I got these. These are, you know, that fan that I was putting on that water pump? Well, it's hard to reach between the fan and the radiator and start those screws, but these are studs. These are water pump studs. You screw that into the water pump, and then you can put your fan on there, and you've already got your studs in there. Just put a little nut on the end of them. So I'll show you what I'm talking about there. There's a water pump right here. There's that one down there. See, down, if I try to reach down in here with a fan and hold the fan and hold the pulley and start a screw, well, that's pretty hard. But if I take the studs and I screw them into this, then I can put the pulley on that and the fan on that once they're in the car, and that won't be any problem. So, yeah, that's what we're doing with that. That one's pretty loose. So this is what I'm going to be doing here in a little bit, as soon as it warms up a little bit more. Oh, the joy.